Hello, this is Peter Brash from Grigor and Young and Murray Claims, and what I'm doing here is trying to show you how to use the Find a Solicitor feature on the Law Society of Scotland website. As you can see, I did a search on Google under Law Society Scotland Find Solicitor, and the top entry there would take you to the page. Clicking on this one takes you to an article which the Law Society did about the Find a Solicitor system and their marketing campaign from the end of 2017. So going to the Find a Solicitor feature, that's the page that you see, and you'll see that along the top there are three tabs. You can find a solicitor according to firm, according to an individual solicitor, or according to an organisation. For the purposes of personal injury, you would, I recommend, want to look for an individual, and I will show you how to do that. Our recommendation in various articles on our websites is that you should look for a solicitor who is local and who is an accredited specialist in some way, has some form of expertise which is demonstrated by particularly either the accreditation system of the Law Society of Scotland or by the Association of Personal Injury Lawyers. If you go to this tab, Find an Individual Solicitor, you'll see there are various things you can put in. You can choose the area of work, but I would suggest that you don't want to have the In-House Lawyers tab ticked, and you do want to show the advanced search options, because one of the things that comes up here is the issue of accredited specialism. And if you go to the accredited specialism of personal injury law specialisation, then that will narrow down the number of people that will show up within your search. So if, for example, you wanted to search for a solicitor in Edinburgh, then you could put in, say, the postcode EH12, and if you search on that, as I've clicked, then it will come up with a number of results. In that case, it has only come up with one. If you simply put in EH, for example, I think that will then give you a rather bigger number. You can see it's showing 21 results, and it's possible to go down through these. Now, if you're a person who has a claim as opposed to somebody that's defending a claim, not all of the people on the list will be relevant. Some of these firms generally only represent insurance companies, but certainly our recommendation would be that if you're looking for a solicitor to help you with a personal injury claim, your best place to look in Scotland is to go to the Find a Solicitor feature on the Law Society of Scotland website, and then search under an individual and look under accredited specialism as I've shown you. I hope that's helpful.